This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Daniel Romero. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in Bonita Lakes is now available for rent. It has an open floor plan with plenty of natural light, making it feel warm and inviting. The modern kitchen offers sleek countertops and lots of storage, and the master suite provides a comfortable retreat with its own bathroom. The backyard is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, with a pool and plenty of space to enjoy. There's also a large driveway with plenty of parking. The home is in a great community close to schools, parks, and shopping centers. For more information, review the details below or contact Daniel Romero at 888-668-8283.